Hello friends, welcome to our quantitative reasoning class. This is sample I, right? If you're getting to see this video for the first time, we have other videos. Just do where to go through the channel and you find the quantitative reasoning playlist where you find all the solutions that we've provided to our quantitative reasoning questions. Alright, today we'll be looking at sample I of the 2022 National Common Entrance Exam. Right, so we have 3 samples for us to confirm our analysis. So we have one with whole numbers and the 2 with fractions. Okay, so we could just look at the one with the whole numbers, alright, and check for our number combinations. We have 2, 3, 5 and 6. Alright, we have 2, 3, 5 and 6. So we check how do we combine these numbers. How to combine 2 and 3 to have 5 and 6. Okay, alright, I think looking at 2, 3, 5 and 6, we can spot the relationship almost immediately because we know that 2 plus 3 is 5. And we also know that 2 times 3 is 6. Alright, all we need to do is to quickly confirm that with the other samples we have. So 2 plus 3, 5. So half plus 2, will it be 2 and a half? Yes, it is. Half times 2, the half of 2, is it 1? Yes, it is. So 2 times 3 is 6. Half of 2 is 1. So let's check here too. 4 plus half is 4 and a half. Then 4 times half is 2 because half of 4 is 2. Alright, so this is simple and confirmed. So we'll just go ahead straight. Remember, during your exam, you do not have enough time to waste, alright? You have a few seconds to attempt to analyze and attempt your questions. So we have 2 plus 3 equals 5, and that we have confirmed with the other samples. We also have 2 times 3 equals 6. Alright, so from this addition relationship, we can get our component. We can also get it from the multiplication relationship. But let's try the addition. So if 2 plus 3 is 5, then 5 minus 2 equals 3, right? Okay. And also 5 minus 3 equals 2. Okay, so that is it. We have the solution for each of the 4 pots we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so we have the analysis formula. So we can use this as a formula to solve a question. Then if you're also more comfortable with the multiplication, then we know that 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then we also know that 6 divided by 3 is 2. Okay. Alright, so you can get the components on top either by addition or by subtraction or by division. Okay, so let's go over the analysis again before we move to solve our questions. Alright, question number 28, 29 and 30. Alright, so the first thing we say 2 plus 3 equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. And 2 times 3 equals 6. Then we say we could do 5 minus 2, 3. And 5 minus 3, 2. Or 6 divided by 2, 3. And 6 divided by 3, 2. Okay, so now let's go ahead and solve. In number 28, we have the first part to our left missing. Alright, and that is in place of 2 here. So how can we get 2 from our analysis? We do 5 minus 3. So we do 5 minus 3. So here we're going to do 1 minus half. Okay, 1 minus half. Okay, if you take away a half from 1, the answer is half. Alright, because 2 halves make 1. So if you take away 1 half, you have the other half remaining. So the answer is half. So you could also do division. So for us to get 2, we do 6 divided by 3. So here we do 1 over 4 divided by 1 over 2. So we could do 1 over 4 divided by 1 over 2. Okay? We could do our cross multiplication and get the answer, or we do keep, change, flip. Alright, while we keep 1 over 4, change the sign, then flip the other fraction. Then we could go here, 4 goes here 1, 2 here 1, and 2 in 4 is 2. So our answer is 1 over 2. So whichever one is faster for you, alright, and that you know you'll be accurate, go with. So you could do subtraction, you could also do division to get your answer. Good. Number 29. So I have a question, special question for you, number 29. Alright, so how are we going to get this part that is missing? In our analysis, that is in place of 5. So how did we get our 5? We added the 2 components at the top of our sample. So we have 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5, and the answer is 15. Alright, then number 30, we have the other component that is 3 in our analysis. So how did we get the 3? We did 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. So we're going to do 5 over 6 minus 1 over 3. 5/6 minus 1/3. Alright, so we do a subtraction of fraction. The LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. And so 6 goes in 6, 1. 1 times 5 is 5. 3 goes in 6 twice. Then 2 times 1, 2. So you have 3 over 6. 5 minus 2 is 3, and that's over 6. You can further reduce it to 1 over 2, because 3 in 3 is 1, and 3 in 6 is 2. Okay? Doing your subtraction or addition of fraction, you could choose any method that is easy for you. Alright? You can also do equivalence fraction method, where you turn this to 2 over 6. Right? Build an equivalent fraction of 1 over 3 such that the denominator will be the same as 6. So you just multiply by 2, multiply by 2, you have 2 over 6. Then that will be 5/6 minus 2/6. That will be 3/6. Alright, so whichever method is easier or faster for you, that's what you should go with. At the end, your answer will be the same. 3 over 6, which is equal to 1 over 2. Alright, you could also use division to solve that. So that's in place of 3 here, so we could say 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2. So you could do 1 over 6 divided by 1 over 3, and the answer would be half, 1 over 2. Alright, thank you. Please go over the video again. Pay attention to how to build your analysis formula. For each, before you go into your question, build a formula for each part. Okay, and once you have that, it will make your solution easier. Alright, thank you. God bless you. Bye.